Okay, everyone, do not tamper with my fire alarm. That is a big no-no. So, when you are in my house, do not take my fire alarm off the wall or the ceiling, because that is tampering with my fire alarm. You don't do that. You better respect my property when you are in my house. If you come into my house and you play with my light switch, that is tampering with my light switch. You don't do that. Also, if I have my fire alarm on the wall or the ceiling and you take it off the wall or the ceiling, that is tampering with my fire alarm. You don't do that. You better respect my property when you come into my house. Bye.